back to my channel. On today's agenda, we have a lot to do. First, I have to go and file my taxes. And and after that, I have to write a research paper for my English 100. I'm so damn hungry right now, so I'm gonna quickly make pasta and we'll head out. Change, I've decided to ditch my red sauce pasta and make fettuccine alfredo. One pro tip, if you want to save money on gym and do arms workout at home, make white sauce pasta. Your arms will hurt and they will thank you. Well, not thank you, but you get the point, right? So never shy away from pepper and chili flakes. First bite. So good. I just got off the bus. I was so late, so I couldn't vlog because I had to run and catch the bus. And I'm super late for my appointment. But it's alright. Now I'm waiting for the connecting bus. I'm here in downtown right now. This is what I'm wearing right now. I'm so happy that I get to carry my bag today because I was waiting for it to get this sunny. Yeah! Because if I'm wearing the bulky jacket, I couldn't get my purse on it. So yeah, and I love purse. Though I don't carry much in my purse, it's just nice to carry it around. Outfit looks incomplete without a purse. Reached at my destination. Finally got done with my taxes. It took a long time than I expected, but we are done for this year. Now we'll come next year. So I'm thinking of going to the mall because I have rest of the day to myself, so why not? And I haven't been to the mall in a while, so let's go. I'm at H&M right now, but their collection is so dull. H&M are better in India than here. I mean, just look at here. Just so boring. This print is so freaking cute. This one. So I had to come in my store. Well, technically it's not my store. My store is in a different branch, but yeah. After doing tons of window shopping, my phone is finally gonna be dead. And I have selected a few items, but I'm not gonna get it from here because I'll get it from my store. Because why would I get it from here? से इंडिया में मिनीसो है, यहाँ पे योयोसो है. Just look at those. Aren't those so cute? So how cute are these? Got off the bus. Now I'm heading towards my apartment. Also, I don't know. I still have my assignment left, so I'm gonna hop on that because that's due this Friday, so I have to do it. I also have to edit this video, so it can go live by tonight. Maybe, I'm not sure, but we'll see. Wanted to do a quick fit check at downtown, but there were a lot of people, so I couldn't do it there, so I'm gonna do it here. Although the sun is on the other side, but still I'm just gonna do it. A little photo shoot because I haven't posted on Instagram for so long. And I thought, why not today? So yeah, I'm just going home.